got 2 new pickups in, one from Supreme, one from StockX. Picked up the Patta to complete the set, the white pair. Prices were low, and snagged it up. This one should be my Toolbox from Supreme. This is week 1. Finally arrived. Took a while. So, 2-box logo. Toolbox ain't that big. Pretty decently sized. Let's open the shoes as well. Each one to each one. This is like the same box as the brown pair that I got, dark set, colorway Nike Air Max 1, white, pure platinum. The white pair, pure thing was friends and family, because when he teased it, it was friends and family, which has his name on it. But I guess everyone loved it, and then he decided to release it. But yeah, let's take a look. Here you go with the white pair, pure platinum with the sail midsole. So this is patent leather. You hear the noise? Yeah, definitely like a glossy paint to it, kind of like the black pair. A lot of people didn't really like it, but I think these are fire. Definitely gonna complete the pack. These are clean. These would get dirty pretty easily, but it's all good. Does come with the cream laces sail. Definitely switch these up to here to make them pop. What is this? Oh yeah, this little note. Please note cracks seen on the uppers material. So they do have like the cracked leather right here. If you look closely, and right here as well. They use the cracked leather on the shoe. But yeah, quick pickup of this Patta pure platinums. And let's take a look at the Toolbox. Supreme Toolbox. Toto. Made in Japan. Here's the Toolbox. They have the red and the blue. So I pick up the red. I'm definitely gonna store stickers in here. It's a decently sized. Here's the inside. Made in Japan. But yeah, quick pickups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.